this is the completed Cohut workshop, which has come together really nicely, a lot better than expected. I was a bit worried about whether the small footprint was going to impact my ability to make stuff, but as it turns out, it actually I think is more efficient than having a large space. I've got the main machine back there, secondary machine, clicker press, burnisher and sander. It's all come together really nicely and I can work super efficiently, and I've just spent the last week working on customer orders, which has been really cool. It's still kind of mind-boggling that just a month ago my whole head was in my project driving across Africa, and now I'm back in Tassie in a shipping container doing leather work, but such is life. I've put in a few time lapses throughout the video. Everything I've shot today has been captured within probably just a few hundred meters of the workshop, including the time lapse at the end of the video. So if you have absolutely no interest in any of this workshop stuff, I would suggest skipping to the end and checking out the time lapse that I shot of the Southern Lights.